US Youth Minister Tino Machakaire pleads with his boss, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, to fix hospitals after visiting a relative and witnessing firsthand the sorry state of public health care in Zimbabwe. Tino Machakaire said, he's the Minister of Youth in Zimbabwean government. He said, I visited one of our public health institutions this morning to see a relative and left deeply concerned by the conditions I witnessed. What I saw was deeply moving, a clear indication that many of our people are facing serious challenges. The growing public outcry over our healthcare system is not an exaggeration. It reflects the difficult experiences of many citizens. As your appointee and one whom you have tasked to speak for the young people of our great nation, I feel a solemn responsibility to speak openly. Sometimes in our desire to present progress, we may unintentionally overlook important realities on the ground. Your Excellency, you have earned the admiration of this nation for our compassion, humility, and tireless dedication to the welfare of ordinary citizens. Under your leadership, many have found renewed hope. It is because of this trust in your care for the people that I respectfully plead with you. Please find time from your busy schedule to visit these institutions yourself. There is no substitute for seeing, listening, and understanding firsthand what our citizens are going through. I also wish to commend those who have had the courage to raise their voices on matters of public interest. Their advocacy reflects a belief in the kind of leadership you represent, a leadership that listens, acts, and puts people first. This is what Tino Machakaire has said.